Welcome, Chamber members, to Monday Minute. I'm really excited today to have with me a new business person in the community, Dallin Oberg. Dallin, welcome.
Hey, thanks.
What made you decide to move to the Battlefords, Dallin?
Honestly, the economic prosperity that the Battlefords can offer. Born and raised in Lethbridge, Alberta, moved to Medicine Hat, to Article. After Medicine Hat, honestly by fluke, I landed here. We came out, my kid brother was here for a little while. We came out to visit him, saw the area. It was pretty neat. There was no snow that winter. That was one part. Went back home a couple months later, looked at, the jobs in my profession as accounting, what was offered here. There's two firms that were hiring. Sent a resume. They both contacted for an interview. Picked who I'm with now, with Hall & Reach Oberg, and looked into the economic prosperity it brought, and I thought, I can't pass up an opportunity like this.
So what will make you stay?
Well, I'm here and I love it.
Awesome.
There's no wind, or as much wind as Southern Alberta, that's one thing. However, once you get to the Battlefords and you look at, yes, there's lots of business opportunity that are here, but there's lakes, there's the outdoors, there's the lightning shows we had a couple weeks ago. My kids are sleeping on the tramp. There's just so many opportunities that, besides work and the beauty that Battlefords brings, which makes it that much better.
So I have another question.
Sure.
I know you worked diligently with us last year on Finance Minister Bill Morneau's taxation adjustments and changes that he had planned to introduce. From an advocacy perspective, because of course in your profession as an accountant, those potential tax changes were going to impact a lot of your clients. What have you seen as a result of those changes?
Higher taxes. At the end of the day, higher taxes. The budget came out the latter part of February. They solidified some of the things they were talking about. They're not as harsh as the ones brought forward last July. They softened them up, and I think people have realized, oh, they're not so bad. However, they're still quite bad. And so it means higher taxes, especially for those that want to invest in the future, save some money for capital, save some money for different business ventures. Depending on how it's treated, that could result in more tax bills to come and threat to opportunity of growth.
So the passive income, they're still talking about doing more work in that area.
Well, they've created the rules for us now. We're waiting for legislation to be finalized, but basically for every dollar you earn over $50,000 of investment income, they're going to take away $5 of your small business deduction. So that's a 12 to 13% increase in your tax on that one area. So for companies that have
significant change,
so have some savings set aside for retirement they think is safe, and they're still operating in an active business, that income could jeopardize and create some taxes.
So a message to members would be to make sure they come and see their professional accountant or support and get advice when related to their own situation.
Work with your team, your lawyer, your accountants, your financial advisor on the best makeup used for them.
And awesome. We are so glad that you and your family have chosen the Battlefords to be here.
Love it.
Thanks so much, Chamber members. Have a great week in business, and we'll see you again next week.